결국엔 거짓말 we lie. So what, so what.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Ezra. And for today's video, we're gonna be having our first ever aesthetic makeup series. So if you want to watch me how I transform from this to this, please keep on watching.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka.
Let's start this makeup tutorial by putting on some contact lens. Oh. Now for the foundation, I'm gonna be using this Bilena Pro Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Oriental, and we're gonna only use it to the center part of my face because we are achieving a natural makeup look because it's summer. Now with a brush, we'll start to blend this foundation on and spread it all over to my face. So what I always do in blending, I always start from my chin, then to my under eye, and then to my forehead. I'm gonna set this foundation already by using this Johnson's Baby Powder because I didn't use any concealer because my foundation is already bright. You know, let's just keep natural. So I'm just gonna set this foundation on with the powder just to keep the makeup last longer. What are you doing? Okay, beat that face up, come on! To keep my lips hydrated, we're gonna be using this petroleum jelly in our house. We're using it to my lips so that when we use the lipstick, it will be smooth as F. Now to my brows, we're just gonna comb this brows in an upward motion and make it bushy because you know my brows are very thick already, and since we're trying to achieve a very natural summer look, we're using this foundation again so that they will appear more on fleek. After putting the foundation onto my brows, we're gonna use a brush again to blend it all out to my eyes and do the same thing on the second brow. Now to my eyes, we're using this Bilena pink eyeshadow palette. So in this look, we want a very warm color eyeshadow. So I picked this eyeshadow palette because the colors of it are very gorgeous and beautiful, and they're sparkly too. So now we're using the orange eyeshadow first and put it to my outer lid, then blending it with a blending brush. Next is we're using the champagne color eyeshadow and put it in the middle of the lid to create a halo effect. And then we're gonna use the brightest eyeshadow color and put it to the inner corner. And lastly, put the orange eyeshadow again to the bottom of my eye in the waterline to create a very smoky eye. Do it to the other eye and bam! She cute. Now we're using this eyelash curler of my sister and you know, make the lash go higher so they will, you know, look beautiful or something. Ow! Just kidding, bitch. Next is we're putting this Bilena Powerful Mascara to our eyelashes that we just curled so that they will look a little bit higher. Higher to the gates of heaven. Going back to my face, we're using this Bilena Contour Duo to finally set the under eye area. Now Now to my blush, we're using this clay blusher lip and cheek tint from my classmate Jana that I bought a few months ago, just to make my face more vibrant, and we're achieving a drunk blush look. Put it on your cheeks and to my nose to look more ooh. And add up some highlighter from Bilena Cosmetics too. Look at that. I'll put it also to my lips because it's a lip and cheek tint. So we're trying to achieve a Korean gradient lips moment here. And to finish the look, we're using this Ulta mineral lip gloss, to gloss my lips and to make it more cute. Now we're done with the makeup look, but now I'm adding a wig and just gonna be back. I'm gonna be back, so y'all watch out.
Krishy. Hey, Migsa. Love you. Yee. Yummy, yummy, mo. Diyan tayo. Yummy, yummy, mo. Date mo ako. Yummy, yummy, mo. Dito ka sa akin. Gagawin kitang mundo. Yee!
And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this makeup tutorial. I hope you had a great time watching this, even though I look very bored, and I hope you be more beautiful in this summer season. So again, this is Extravagant. Bye.
Di ka papakawala.